Hello kids! Welcome to our online reading tutorials for children. Day 2. Yesterday, we have learned about letter A and letter B. A says A. A is for anchor, arrow, ant. B is for basket, bag, ball. A, B. Say it again, kids. Good job! Today, we're going to learn this letter. Do you know what letter is this? That's correct. It's letter T. And T says T. T. Say it again, kids. T. Good job. T. T is for turtle. The turtle is slow. Turtle. T. T is for turkey. Turkey. T is for tag. T. Tart. T. Talk. T. Tap. T. Tall. T. Now it's your turn, kids. Now it's your turn to read, kids. Are you ready? Good job! B. A. Ba. Ba. T. A. Ta. Ta. Ba. Ta. Ab. B. Ab. Ab. A. T. At. At. Ab. At. B. A. T. B. A. T. B. A. T. Bat. 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 B. A. Ba. Ba. T. T. Ba. T. Bat. Bat. Now it's your turn. Good job! T. A. T. A. T. A. Ta. Ta. B. B. Ta. B. Tab. Tab. Now it's your turn. You are awesome! That's all for today. See you tomorrow for our day 3 lesson. Thank you and goodbye.